Dorian Williams injury update. Bills LB hospitalized after helmet-to-helmet hit. But first, please subscribe to the channel to receive all that is new and press the like button to support us. Welcome. The Buffalo Bills and Denver Broncos AFC Divisional Round game was expected to be physical. There was a helmet-to-helmet collision on the opening kickoff, and Bills linebacker Dorian Williams was taken by ambulance to a local hospital. Williams and Denver returner Marvin Mims Jr. were injured on Mims' 25-yard kickoff return to start the game. Williams made the tackle with a helmet-to-helmet collision. He immediately went down on his stomach, and Bills teammates waved for trainers. A stretcher was brought out, but Williams was able to walk off the field with help from trainers. Mims walked off under his own power. Both players went into the blue medical tents.